Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a delicious peppermint crisp tart. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 2 packets of tennis biscuits, approximately 240 grams of mint chocolate, 2 tins of caramel treat, and 500 milliliters of fresh cream. Grate a third of your chocolate. This third is to go into the batter. Beat the cream until firm. Mix it slightly in the tin with a knife and then add it to the batter. Fold the grated chocolate into your batter. Fill the bottom with tennis biscuits. Your tray needs to be about 35 by 23 centimeters. Add half of your batter. Add another layer of biscuits. Add the rest of the batter. Grate another third of the chocolate. Sprinkle the chocolate over the tart. Chop the remaining third of chocolate into chunks. Sprinkle the chunks on top of the tart. Refrigerate overnight to set. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye guys.